UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning, select the settings, then find and pick the battery, and here you can simply by tapping on one from the following options, you can enable battery saving mode. You can pick the regular one, regular power saving, smart power saving, or the last one, the ultra power saving mode. This mode will widely extend the life of your battery, but only selected apps are available on this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.